What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we are making a steak dinner on my Blackstone. Yes, I'm very excited. Very excited. I have made a steak dinner before. A little more thought has been put into this, so I'm excited. But I got my griddle going, so let's do this. All right, so I have two things going. Obviously, I have my steaks, and all I did was put a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. That's our steaks, and then we're gonna do a little fancy grilled salad with a nice homemade Caesar dressing that I made. And then for our steaks, I made what is called a Cowboy butter, which is by far my most favorite thing in the entire world. Like, I found this out, made it, tried it, best thing ever to put on steaks. And then, like I said, I have a homemade Caesar dressing right here. And for the Cowboy butter and the Caesar dressing, I'll put the full recipe down in the description below for you guys. But the Caesar dressing, all it is mayo, salt, pepper, anchovies, which I know, ew, gross, but anchovies is what makes Caesar dressing, and then a little bit of lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, and some chopped garlic. And then for the Cowboy butter, it's kind of a horseradish type compound butter, but it's horseradish, melted butter, salt, pepper, garlic, horseradish, and then paprika and a little bit of cayenne. But it's very simple, very tasty, very yummy, very delicious. But let's get started. So like I said, first I got my steaks. The important thing with your steak is you want to make sure that your cooking surface, no matter what it is super hot, because you want these to cook within a few minutes. You don't want them to sit there, otherwise you'll overcook them and they'll taste gross and they're nasty and you've ruined a perfectly good steak. So always make sure that your cooking surface is nice and hot. See, nice and hot. Now, once these get close, then we'll start on our salads, because the salads will only take like a minute and a half tops. I just want the steaks to go for 2, maybe 3 minutes tops. I want these to be a nice medium rare-ish. And the key to a good steak is you only flip them once. And a neat trick that I've learned is you put your index finger and your thumb together like this. You don't tense up, you just leave it like so. And then right about here, right in the center of your palm, underneath your thumb, whatever finger you choose is how done it's going to be. So the closer you get to the pinky, the more done it gets. So like here is about rare, here's medium rare, here's medium well, and then this is well done. Nice little fun trick for you to learn. You can go home and tell your parents you learned something today. Okay, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna flip my steaks over, and they got a nice crust on the outside. I like that. But now we're gonna go ahead and put our salads on. Like I said, for the lettuce, it doesn't take long at all. Now the trick with the lettuce heads, I got romaine lettuce. Don't cut the ends off like I did, because I'm a ding-dong. It'll hold together and it'll be a lot easier to work with. So don't cut the end off. All I'm gonna do is put a little bit of oil. Like I said, 1 to 2 minutes, a sear, just to get a nice char on it, nice sear on it, kind of a nice crust. And then that's it. You don't wanna overcook your lettuce, because then that's gross. You want it to have some lettuciness to it. You still want it to be kind of hearty, but we're just gonna put a little bit of oil, and that's it. And you want to be careful, because the lettuce has some water in it and you'll splash yourself and burn. All right, so our steaks are done. Set those off to the side, and then our salad is nice and cooked. Now, while I let the steaks rest, I want to go ahead and lather them up with my Cowboy butter. Okay, I let my steaks rest for about 5 minutes, because they're kind of small. I don't want to let them rest too long, because then they'll get cold. But about 5 minutes for these. If you got nice big steaks, do about 10, maybe 15 minutes, let them rest. But I got some croutons for my Caesar salad. But let's plate this up. Okay, then we're gonna take our wedge and see how the lettuce kind of has a nice little char on it. It's not a lot, it's just enough. Okay, then I'm gonna take my homemade Caesar. Okay, that's some of my croutons. Okay, and there you have a gorgeous steak dinner. Let's try this out. All right, so the trick to a good steak dinner is a good steak knife, always. Just mental note. First, I'm gonna try the steak. Beautiful. Sorry, it was okay. No, like, I love the Cowboy butter. The Cowboy butter makes just everything good, everything delicious, everything yummy, everything, yeah. Steak, Cowboy butter equals love. All right, now let's try the salad. And my buddies will give me crap for it, but I eat a salad with every meal. I don't care. I don't care what you say. If you like Caesar dressing, I highly suggest you make your own. It's not hard, it's very simple, and it's very tasty. I know but it has anchovies in it. So does the bottled stuff that you get. All of it has anchovies in it. If you can eat anchovies, I highly recommend get anchovies in it, because a homemade Caesar dressing is just the way to go. I'm telling you, it's delicious. It makes the world go round. It definitely makes the salad. But there you have it, guys. A steak dinner on the Blackstone. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that sub button and that notification button, especially if you're new to the channel. Also, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. And as always, guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.